Say you're out for your morning walk and you come into contact with the H1N1 virus. That's not good. So it comes into your body through inhalation, but it can also be transferred into your eyes, nose, and mouth from any contaminated surface. So now that the virus is in your body, it looks for host cells to hijack and reproduce inside of, because that's what viruses do. Unbeknownst to the virus, however, there are things in your body called macrophages and dendritic cells that are on the lookout for pathogens before they can cause an infection and hurt the body. Macrophages and dendritic cells work by phagocytosing the virus when they detect specific molecules on the outside of the virus called PAMPs. Once the virus has been phagocytosed by the macrophage releases chemicals called cytokines and chemokines that activate natural killer or NK cells to get to work to kill the cells infected by the virus. NK cells are the only innate immune system cells that can directly kill viruses. Macrophages aren't the only ones to call for help when there is a viral infection. Infected cells also release alpha and beta interferons that activate NK cells as well. When dendritic cells phagocytose the virus, they migrate to the lymph nodes for special immune responses. Dendritic cells can derive antigens from the virus and present those antigens on their major histocompatibility complexes, or MHCs, and they can present those antigens then to the T cells. Once the antigens are presented to the T cells by the dendritic cells, they can then be activated and then differentiate. There are two types of T cells, CD8 plus T cells and CD4 plus T cells. CD8 plus T cells differentiate into cytotoxic lymphocytes, or CTLs, and CD4 plus T cells differentiate into Th2 cells, or T helper cells, that can activate B cells later. Since this immune response is dealing with a virus, Th2 cells are created by the T cells. And those Th2 cells activate the B cells so they can further differentiate into plasma and memory cells. Plasma cells are the factories that produce antibodies that can help clear the viral infection faster by neutralizing the virus particles with the antibodies. Memory B cells are long-lasting cells that protect the body from reinfection of that specific pathogen they code for. They are also responsible for why we become immune to certain diseases when we get vaccines. All of these responses, cells, and chemicals give our body the immune ability to reduce the spread of H1N1 within our body and help clear the virus from all of our cells.